back a little bit. Don't lean too far forward. Don't nose dive because there's two of you. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, down. Sorry. Let's try that again. I don't know if it's the extra weight or. Wait. Oh, is that extra weight or the.
My shorts are really slow.
Scoot forward a little bit. Lean back, lean back, both of you. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's better. For some reason, it's just off. Okay.
Good on the shoulder?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm good.
Pedro, how you feeling? Good. Okay. Will you spot from over here, please? By my head. Don't let him go this way.
Do you want my hands to be loaded on the shoulders when I do this low?
What do you think?
Wherever you feel strongest, because that's where the weight's gonna go, right?
Yeah, shoulders good. Straight arms.
Yeah, straight arms. Keep your hands in a little bit. There you go.
Good. Feel strong?
Feel good. Keep your shoulders lifted for him. Oh, look at that.
How you doing?
Not bad though, not bad.
For a couple seconds.
For a first go? Not bad though. Not bad, I like it.
Just takes a little bit of stability and strength, just a little bit.
Woo! Yeah, I like it. I'm impressed. Yeah, do you want to go with that or is that a little crazy? Okay.
No, yeah. I do
Okay,
that.
yeah. Do you want Pedro knitting or do you want him knitting? Or both?